Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Going to do a little room tour of our inside cabin here on NCL Joy. So the rooms, obviously in an inside cabin here, you don't have a ton of space. They can combine the beds together for you or separate them if there are two people in the room or if you're staying with a friend. As you can see, there's a decent amount of closet space. I apologize for the camera getting blurry there. I'm not sure what is going on. But you do get a lot of closet space. You do have a little desk area with a phone, a few plugs there, a little chiller down the bottom, not a refrigerator, but just a chiller. Plenty of space in there. I had chocolate covered strawberries and water and things, and you could fit them in there. No problem. You have your hair dryer under there if you need it. There are USB plugs over the bed by the lights, just as an FYI. And then you have this delightful bathroom, which is actually a pretty good size. There you go, inside cabin on the Norwegian Joy.